Would you look at this? It's a half-pint film, bitch.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Mr. Polo from That Kid Polo. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and join the game. If you haven't already, make sure y'all go back and watch my yesterday's, what it'll be today's, which is Saturday. I hope y'all really appreciate it. That video, you know, that was Friday night. I'm gonna drop that here shortly. I gotta make some room on my phone for when I'm editing. Exactly, I ran out of space. But yeah, I've been out. As y'all know, I stayed ordering stuff for my camera and stuff like that. So I did order some new pieces and stuff. So I got them. I'm gonna show you what it is. Basically, this you know, this video gonna be an unboxing video, and basically what I do throughout the day. Y'all stay tuned because you know we are traveling, so y'all gonna get this video on Sunday. So happy Sunday for everybody. I like the video that I did yesterday. That was pretty dope. So, you know, more videos for them to come. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to who? David King. She liked the video yesterday too. We were lit. Like, we were lit, really lit, man. But anyway, I'm not gonna bore y'all too much. It's not gonna be a super long video, just because the simple fact you know, I ran out of space so quick. So I'm gonna get straight into it. As you know, I ordered some stuff for my camera. Just so I ain't got like too much carry around a lot of stuff. If y'all haven't already, you know, if you got cameras and stuff. See, I'm just unboxing. What? So the first thing, the company name is Smallrig. Like before I order something, I really before I order stuff, I really make sure that this is exactly what I want. So yeah, so let me see. I'm gonna make sure I get there. Clear me out. Let's see if I can read it. It says Smallrig. This basically for like, you know, camera stuff. You want the rest of this burger right here?
I don't know. Give me some.
You know. So that way, turn down a little bit now.
One more. Wash it.
So.
And now how far the time to be found? No way. Yeah.
So that way I ain't got to turn around the gimbal all the time and stuff like that. And plus, this makes it where it's more easier for me to like change my batteries out and things like that without having to take it off my my tripod, or if I have it on my gimbal. What I open it at? Here we go. I'm not sure. Oh, this just. All right. So this, I'm gonna show y'all this last, and I'm gonna show you the other part first. Golly, y'all. Sorry if y'all can barely hear me.
I already got no stuff. She's got stuff close right now.
Sorry, you know, if I sound real low, my energy is low because we had a long night last night. And plus we got a long day today. Y'all, I literally track these packages every single day because I pay for overnight, but they never send stuff overnight. It always takes forever. I'm like, dude, like seriously, like they did give my money back on the last package that I ordered, but you know how that goes. For now, I'm just gonna start just not even paying for extra shipping because it's gonna come the same time anyway. As you know, another box, Smallrig. So basically, I got make sure I drop 2 boxes Smallrig. That's how much I've been looking at this stuff. But
Good job.
oh, good job. Boo made a 94. Yo. I should have had this open just to show y'all, but I want to do a real unboxing. Because most people, they be doing unboxing videos, but they still be already out the box. That's not unboxing, they just reveal anything. She over there feeding her face, y'all. Without turning the camera. Y'all, they be having this thing in here security to make sure nobody.
Quit putting it in there.
All right, so
You thought that.
here it comes. So I'm taking it.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
You heard my boy. That. Yeah. So this right here is the cage that's on my phone. Not my phone, but my camera.
Hey.
Y'all, I might have to take my lens off. Yeah, I gotta take my lens off to put it on.
Here.
But, this the cage. So what this does is it sit on the camera like this. Even if you don't want to put on tripod, you can easily put your hand on it like this and things like this. And also like the camera, the battery part right here. So whenever you know, whenever I got on tripod, I could put it on one of these extra little holes and things like that. And also I could put like attachable stuff like my light that I brought. I don't even know if I brought my light, but it'll be all right.
Why you keep putting stuff in my box?
I can screw my lights to the side, still have access to my battery, screw me a mic on if I want to turn on my light. Also, I can screw something on this side as well. If I want to add like a monitor or something like that. I don't think I'm going to go that far and add a monitor being that it got the flip out screen. I understand like some people, like, I understand like if you got the profession for it and you want to add them, you know? So just say if I just grab my camera, I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to do a little vlog. I don't want to take that, so I can easily just grab it like this. Most of them, they be having the shoot thing on the bottom where you got to tighten it up to the camera through the regular tripod mount. But on this one, it actually tightens right here with the Allen key. Shout out to Smallrig. They send out the tools to go with. Most companies, they don't send out tools for anything. I'm glad it's not the adhesive stuff. Because of the simple fact of it'll deteriorate after a certain amount of time. It's about like this 3M tape that's holding my lens on. Like I'm really shocked that it actually holding on. I keep monitoring it, and before I even mount it anything, I make sure I had a lot of pressure on it. And also another thing I like about this design right here is it got a smooth grip so you can grip it, and plus on the inside right here, it has the cushion, and plus it has the cushion on the inside of here too. So that way y'all, my nose itchy. That way you won't scar your camera or anything like that. So that's that part, as y'all was saying. So the other thing that I brought is a handle. So this is gonna be on this side. And plus it got, so it got, I got to figure out how to hook it up, but I will. But anyway, so this gonna be screwed into here, and this gonna be on the handle like that somehow. I got to figure it out. So that way when I'm holding my camera, let me just. Come on. That way, when it be screwed there, I can just hold it. So that way I ain't got to always have it on a tripod either. Or if I don't want this part up here, I can just unscrew it, and I can just hold the camera like that right here. I'm gonna give y'all a little demonstration real quick. So basically it's gonna be like this right here. And I can just vlog. But I might go ahead and see how to put this together, and I'm gonna come right back and I'm gonna show y'all how it look before I put it on the camera, and then I'm gonna record off my phone and show you how it look when it's on the camera. I'll be right back. Y'all, I am back. So, dang, this very dead. But I am back. So, this is the finished product. Y'all had to figure out how to do it and stuff. So here it goes. I'm vlogging. I can just do like this right here and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it look on the camera in a minute. But look who we have in the building. Look. Oh shoot, look at Rhonda's madhouse, y'all. We got Ann.
She got her makeup on, y'all. Thinking she looking sexy.
She like that's something new.
But she is
I just
looking
ain't
the same way,
because I've been
Rhonda madhouse.
busy.
And I am Medea today, y'all. Yeah, Medea. Boogie didn't know she had to come with me when she got to go. She thought she was going to Fed with North Carolina, but she ain't going not today.
Yeah.
Boogie going to in-house.
Boogie going with
But you going with a boogie? Scooby. Nala, you ain't wait on me, Nala. I was in here blowing up blue animals. Hey, show what I made you.
Huh?
I made her that, y'all.
No, I'm talking about she.
But I'm gonna show y'all. I'm about to show how y'all make one. You want me to make you one now?
No.
Y'all, I am back. So let me open this door while I finish doing this video. But yeah, I finally got everything put together. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. So that way, you know, this is my apartment. Hey, Nala. Well, I tell you, that girl right there is something else. But this the finished product, y'all. It's not small. It's not small, but you get the concept. You see it? Yeah. See, I can just vlog and hold it. Got a little weight to it. But be alright. See where the extra shoots and stuff is. Y'all, I did. Whoever got this set up, I did have to take the lens off to put it up there. So this is how it look. Yeah. And y'all see what I'm talking about with the battery part right there. Let me cut this camera off so I won't mess it up. Y'all see what I'm talking about with the battery part? Yeah. So y'all see how it still got room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna mount. Where I'm gonna mount my tripod at. That's where I'm mounting the tripod at. Let's see. Mount it right there, y'all. I'm mount it right there. You say what right now, man? Huh?
My ass is fat and swollen up. I know.
So that way, you see how, and y'all see how it still got clearance for me to take the battery out. I want to make sure that I got right there. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned. I like my little setup, so we're gonna go from here, and I'll be right back. Y'all, I just want to show y'all like what North Carolina is dealing with. Y'all seen how beautiful it was yesterday? Y'all look at this. Look at this bitch. We can't make this shit up. Like we really can't. And also y'all, I'm editing the video from yesterday that's gonna drop today, which is Saturday. And this video is gonna drop Sunday if I haven't already told you. I'm just waiting on the finish, editing and processing and stuff, but the grind definitely don't stop. Y'all don't talk about my screen, I know it. Ah shit, I gotta start over. But yeah. So I know my screen dirty and stuff like that, so. But yeah. How you feel, babe? You tired? She tired, boss. But yeah. But this is the only thing I want y'all to see, like the stuff that we got to go through here in North Carolina. But yeah. Everybody back there sleep, Rhonda North sleep, kids sleep. But yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to where we're going. Y'all, I am back. So hopefully y'all won't hear the wind in the background. We got the kids out. If you could tell by the scenery, we have made it to Vietnam. Nala, you having fun, baby? Yeah, I gotta figure out what I have my camera on. We down here, Sean. We come to see the baby. I'm gonna show y'all the baby in a minute. Look at y'all, Smokey the Bandits.
We just being the grandmas.
Daddy. What, baby?
We need to talk.
But yeah, we outside. We got to go shopping.
My butt's stuck.
You too big to be out there, booger.
Only little.
Yeah, tell it again. This a workout thing.
I know.
You having fun? Huh? Make sure you be careful, okay? right, go down lower. Cause you're getting up too high. Okay, keep on running, fall, Biggie. I'm about to come over here and sit down, okay?
Come here.
No.
Ah, Daddy.
What, baby? I'm coming. This is gonna be the real day I test the wind out.
Your turn.
Okay.
Come on.
You gotta hold it up.
Sister, I need one more sister.
No, babe. You go ahead, go. No, babe. 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 You gotta put it on me. Put the camera on me. Can you see me in the camera?
Yeah.
Little babe.
Now, I'm going to be on UBX.
I'll be X. Okay, you ready? I go first.
Okay.
Your turn.
Your turn.
Hold on, baby.
People been here.
You said what?
People been here.
Okay, you did yours yet?
Yeah, it's right there.
Which one? You did that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I did that one.
Okay.
I won. 3 in a row. Your mama got shot by G.I. Joe.
Now I gotta be X.
Y'all, we just having fun. Alright, go ahead. Y'all, let me know if y'all...
I'm X.
You
and
X?
You're O.
And I'm O.
I'm on this one. Aww.
Alright, yeah, keep flipping it. You say you X? Okay, I'm O. I got O right there.
Okay.
You go.
I stole. Daddy.
I won. Haha.
You gotta beat Daddy now.
Daddy.
You can't beat me.
Daddy. Let's have a race on this slide.
Huh?
Daddy too big.
Okay.
Daddy.
Oh, let me flip it. You gotta make sure you hold the camera down so they won't be dizzy. Okay, you ready? Come on. Alright, you X on me. I'll be X. Oh, you wanna be X?
No, I'm
Okay, go.
Daddy.
What? She can't beat me.
Daddy won.
Right,
It's
you
cat.
It's cat. You go play with him.
Hey, ready?
What?
Okay.
Okay,
You're
you.
X or O?
I'm X.
You better not let Nala beat you. Nala beat her.
Go.
Get the one in the bottom.
This one?
No.
This one?
No, over.
This one?
Yep.
Go.
Get the middle one.
This one?
Yep. Nala won. And I got it on camera too. Booger fit. Babe. Booger walked backwards and forgot to slide there and fell down the slide. I got it on camera.
Daddy, come here.
That's not not
Well.
funny. Just
Whoa! I'm falling. Your turn. Whoa, Nala. We on the roller coaster.
Daddy, push me down the slide. Daddy, push
What you doing?
Daddy, push me.
I'm in that time, Mama. She's her hair. And she hurt
Y'all, we're gonna be right back. Tell them we're gonna be right back.
Bye.
Y'all, we is back. Sorry about the low light, but we in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Y'all gonna see why we came down here to Fayetteville tomorrow, because it's late. And y'all just see just that.
Hulu. That's the
Yeah.
Disney Plus I just sent you, Kim.
We
Nah,
on
Hulu.
K3. We have Sean in this bit. Oh yeah.
Stupid fuck, but
Hey, y'all see that shit? Right there? We on it. We playing this game. We playing this game again.
Well,
tipsy right now.
basically, whoever draws the lowest card has to take a shot. That's how the game goes.
How you feeling, Sean?
He's seeing double.
I'm feeling good. I ain't seeing double. I can't see his black ass, but you know.
You looking at yourself? You can't see my black ass.
I'm feeling no.
I can agree.
You can agree, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, we lit, y'all.
Oh my God.
Hey, Ronald, how you feeling? Getting rid of the camera. How you feeling over there?
She feeling good.
Well, you gonna wake up.
She ain't even had no shot.
She gonna need a hip replacement when she wake up. We got she laying.
I lost.
You know?
Yeah.
Get up in that bottle in.
Oh my God.
No, wait. He might have lost. Yep. Take that. Yep.
Man, y'all.
Let's see it. Y'all want to see it? Hold on, y'all.
Zooming out. Zooming out.
Yeah, go ahead. How you feel?
Dumbass.
Do that feel good?
Hell no.
Oh, that feel bad. Rhonda, hey, how you feel?
You done damn people. You know that.
Do you feel good?
She feel like Koralis.
Huh? She's okay. Do you feel good, Mom?
No,
What's wrong?
my legs hurt now.
Oh. Did you have a good day?
How she see it?
Did you have a good day, Mom?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, was your food good? No? You didn't like your food?
Let me go get monkey.
What?
Let me go get monkey on camera.
Okay, he's about to take the camera off.
Little Mexican monkey over here.
Don't say that.
That's what she is. And then we're gonna ask her how she feels. This right here, this is my new baby right here, little Mexican monkey. Her name Koralis. You can't see her. Koralis or rice mill. You can't see her right now, but she look just like a daddy. Nice and beautiful.
He aggravated.
Nice and beautiful.
He aggravated his wife so much the baby came out.
The real secret is you gotta hit deep as you can.
You took your shot.
I wish I would waited.
This is my dad.
Cause he about to make that come back up.
Let me see.
He also happens to be the leader of our clan.
He took it, y'all.
So what's wrong with having?
Alright, we're gonna cut until next scenery. We'll be right back.
Ratatouille. I am back. So this weekend, man, yeah, as y'all can see, man. Look out. Look out. See me at wait. Y'all, the baby is not out. We came out here to Fayetteville to see the baby. Koralis.
Ew.
Sarah.
Look at her mouth.
Ew.
She nasty.
But y'all, look outside, y'all.
You gotta learn when you go outside, not to show people can.
Right.
Y'all see it's raining out there.
In the address.
No, look in your
look
mouth.
at-
Don't wipe that in your shirt.
Look at Ronald Madhouse.
Sure.
No, I did not. I didn't say that.
Well, we got mom.
So can you about say this over so they can be
We
drawing?
got Auntie Kiki right here.
Booger want me to take the baby out.
But we want her to take the baby.
I told her I can't take the baby. It's Million, baby.
We ain't going.
It's Million and Sean, baby. They're not
Yeah.
gonna let me take the baby.
I don't know how a baby can be taking care of baby.
Can I take the baby?
Can we take the baby?
See how you do? Take the baby with. Who gonna be sick?
We got Rhonda Madhouse in here.
She is too.
She up early, waking everybody else up. Hey,
Put them right there.
hey, I got the towels. The towels right here. This, that, and third. Baby.
I look.
She's supposed to be first.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not wet.
Sit down somewhere. But yeah, we just chilling, y'all, before we get back on this road, counting these miles down. Alright, but y'all, only if I recorded last night,
It's a dog. It's a dog.
y'all would have seen who the big baby was. Ain't right, baby? You would have seen the big baby. I might even add in a little clip. 'Cause I got a little snippet. I might add it in here. But I see everybody like that video that I dropped. I appreciate everybody. Let's go run the views up and stuff.
Got a bird.
But
Look at her. I'm disturbing your peace. Yeah, I'm disturbing your peace.
Koralis.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
Sarah.
You're so cute.
Koralis.
Looking
Don't
like
let
your
just give
mama.
y'all baby fever.
Looking like her mama.
Not me. How about you, babe? Yeah, dude. It give you baby fever. Especially when they this
I
small.
can come see her, leave, and go home.
Get that money and leave.
I can love on her all day and go back home.
Oh yeah.
You got burnt.
But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get the video up
Good
because
job.
there's really nothing going
My
on.
bad.
If you haven't already, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And join the gang, Polo Gang, 32 Gang. Make sure you subscribe to my wife's channel, K for K. Oh yeah, when we get back home, we gotta get Big J channel going. Make sure you subscribe to Red's Too Cool. We lit, y'all. Until the next episode.